So this is the cooking man. Okay, so my name is Meysam Hassanipour. I am from Iran. I live in Canada. So in a local shop in Karimabad, Gilgit-Baltistan here. And I am traveling from Japan to France. My goal was to travel with no flight, and until now I have traveled 39,000 kilometers, no flights. And my goal was to have a meaningful kind of traveling, and I came up with this character, the cooking man, who is a daily superhero. So I'm encouraging people to be a superhero, the best of themselves, and I cook on the way in big cities for homeless people. So it's just a bit of give back, like to be kind to others that they don't have that much means and money as we have. So that's the main goal and the project that I have, and then I'm still on the way, but these days it's becoming more and more difficult to travel, of course, because of the coronavirus. We'll see how it's gonna go. That's the thing. Since I really liked this beautiful feather, so I'm gonna buy even another one, so to keep it and to remember. Let's do it. Another feather, please. Another minute, like two. Oh. Can I see this one? This one also is like real. Yeah, I can see it. It's real. It's real. I think it's real. This one is real. So I will keep it.
Hola.
Oh. Do you have Pakistani sticker? No?
No.
Wow. Like this one. Is it okay or not? How about if it falls? If it falls, I call you.
Okay. It's okay.
What is happening? Okay. Here.
ये ऊपर भी वो पहना है ना आप और क्या करोगे
Yeah, maybe use this. Wait. So I'm at, oh, not this way. Wait. Oh, they are back like. This one, the lens is always gets dirty. Okay.
This one big size.
So I'm at this shop with Rasul, and then we are getting this feather or this hat. What is the name of this hat?
Traditional hat.
Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram is the cooking man. So I mean, if you want to follow the adventure, it's up there. Thank you very much. Description below for my channel and the link. Thank you.
I got hustle, I got flow, I got hustle, some got talent, some got grind, I got both. Y'all in trouble, watch me blow.